I recently started a job in tech, and since I have started, I have received multiple messages on LinkedIn asking how I broke into the industry without having tech experience. So these are my top 3 tips to help you do the same.
Number 1, you are going to want to network on LinkedIn. It's going to be important to connect with people in the industry that you are trying to break into. This will help you learn a little bit more about the industry itself, and it may also help you learn about those entry-level positions when they do open up so you can apply for them. Tip number 2, arguably the most important tip, make sure you are editing your resume and cover letter to reflect what the employers are actually looking for. Don't just list all of your skills, list the skills that are applicable to you that are listed within the job posting to make you stand out. Tip number 3, you're going to want to boost up your resume by taking courses that are in the industry that you're trying to break into. There are plenty of product management courses available on Udemy, and they're very reasonably priced, and they also come with a certificate of completion. If you are looking for more tech tips, make sure to follow.